Chapter 17 Early Humans Learning Objectives Life and Times of Early Humans Great Discovery Long ago, the life of the human beings who lived on the earth was very different from the life of today. It took them a very long period to reach their present state. Fact File Man is known as a Homo sapien, that is, a thinking creature. He belongs to the mammal category of living beings. Life and times of early humans. Early humans lived in jungles which were full of wild animals. Some animals were bigger and stronger than him. They were afraid of them. To protect themselves from these animals, they searched for sharp stones. They used these stones for cutting, striking and scraping. Later, they learned to use wooden sticks as tools. Sharp stones were tied to sticks and used as spears. These spears were used to hunt wild animals. Early humans could not find their food at one place. They had to move from one place to another in search of food. Food was early humans' main need. They ate the fruits, roots and seeds of plants when they felt hungry. They would kill small animals and eat their flesh raw. Early humans lived on trees and in caves. Early humans had no clothes to wear. They lived inside caves to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. They covered their bodies with animal skin. Fact File The earliest evidence of the use of fire by the early humans comes from a Stone Age site in Israel. Great Discovery Early humans lived a hard life. Obtaining food posed a big problem before them. They could not get their food at one place. The living of early humans was similar to that of an animal. They did not cook their food. Instead, they ate raw flesh. Now and then, they must have seen some jungle fire. Like any other animal, they were afraid of fire. They knew that it would burn them. When early humans used to break stones for making tools, sparks were produced. Dry leaves and grass caught fire by these sparks. Thus, they learned to keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves, wood and grass. Man makes fire. Fire was the first discovery of early humans. One day, someone rubbed two stones together and a spark came out of it. Then, the early men rubbed it hard and it led to the discovery of fire. Then they learned to add leaves and barks of trees to keep the fire burning. Very soon the early humans discovered that if they sit near fire, they would not shiver from cold. It was pleasant to sit close to the fire. Now they came to know that fire gave light and warmth. Later, they knew that fire could keep wild animals away from their caves. This was a great relief for them. It helps them to sleep without anxiety and fear. After this discovery, early humans learned that the animals were afraid of fire. So, early men kept animals away by lighting bark of trees with fire. This made the early men feel safe. One day a piece of meat fell into the fire. This made it soft. Then, early men also started roasting meat of animals. This made the food very tasty and they enjoyed eating it. Man's ability to produce fire raised him above animals. The ancient Greeks thought that fire was a gift from heaven. Points to remember. Early humans lived in jungles which were full of wild animals. Early humans used stones for striking, cutting and scraping. Early men used stones and animal bones as weapons.